Good afternoon to my viewers and subscribers. Welcome to another episode of What is Going On in Jamaica. So people, if you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure you do so right now. And if you haven't thumbs up as yet, make sure you do that and share the video out. So today I want to share with you what happened in Jamaica today. We had a magnitude 5.6 earthquake. Yes, people, 5.6 earthquake in Kingston, Jamaica. Well, the whole of Jamaica basically feel the earthquake. And guys, I must say that this earthquake did a lot of damage. I'll show you some video footage of some of the things that took place in Jamaica when this earthquake happened.
I got say thing there. See you my voice catching there sitting there.
It's ILO Barbican at the moment after the earthquake. I'm saying to you, all the aisles them, all around the aisle 8, every aisle is a mess. All of them. The door lock. The door not lock? Yeah. Jesus. Your woman, watch there. If I'm a see my shop. Look there. All is sitting them broke off of the shelf. Watch out.
As you can see, a lot of bottles fall off of the shelf, a lot of things out of place in the supermarket. Yes, and most of the workers are saying that this is the first they've ever witnessed anything like this. And to be honest, this is one of the first ones I've seen like this in Jamaica. So guys, just hope everybody is safe. Check on your family, check on your loved ones if you're living abroad, just to make sure everything is good. Boy, this is a big one. I hope Jamaica don't get any other one right now. People, remember to say your prayers and always put God first in everything you guys do.
I'm not get nobody else. I'm here beat the door then. And the tank down there suburbs. The whole of the water was shut down there so in my bathroom.
So this is up by UA people. Boy, a lot of damages and a lot of things to be fixed. But in other news, one of the three men that was involved in Philip Paulwell and her mother's case has pleaded guilty and will be sentenced on November 15th in the circuit court. Also, in the Beachy Stout case, where he paid for taking away his wife 3 points, Tanya was seeking to avenge her dad's death, so she wanted to buy a pistol to do the deed. But instead, her husband had plans for her. He arranged for the man who was to sell her the machine to meet her and deal with her like how them get rid of a goat and burn the body. Again, ladies can't even trust your own husband. Bubla, who was convicted to 19 years for his role in Tanya's death, state that the subcontractor to do the deed wasn't paid. The Portland fisherman was also never paid the $3 million. So people all do the deed before them get paid. You have to be careful. Push your family out. Until next time, bless upon yourself.